Okay, guys and gals, we're back out here on my favorite lake again. As you probably know, we're gonna see what we can snag this afternoon. Did I pick up one? I think I did, guys. Come here, little buddy. Let me anchor down right here just a minute. Get this little buddy out of here. Be safe. Behave. Well, I'm gonna turn you back loose. Little buddy. Oh, I think I picked up another guy. I think I did. Another little one. Another little old boy. All right, buddy, go back and grow up. Oop, picked up one there, guys. What is this? It's a bluegill. Alright. Got red on him, that might be. I guess that's a bluegill. Go back and grow up, boy. Got this on, guys. Where'd you go? Come on there, boy. Come on in, big boy. Come out of there. A nice bass. Finally. Now I got you hooked, boy. Wow. Right in that top lip. Yeah, I got you. Yeah, that's a pretty nice little old bass there. All right, buddy. Go back. I think I hooked up now with one, guys. Yeah, I did. Let's see if I can get him down here. Nice crappie. There he is. Come here, boy, let's look at you. All right. Alright, go back, grow up. I think I got that in the guys. I think I did. Come in here, buddy. Yeah, another nice one. Nice little crappie. Behave now. I'll get you loose. I think that one's been caught before. He got a ulcer on his mouth. Another nice one. Alright, go back, boy. Grow up. There's some thunder back in yonder. A cloud coming up. Oh, there you go. There, I got one, if I can get him in here. He swallowed it. Swallowed it down. Let's see if I can get it loose. There we go. He's nice little crappie. Alright, buddy. Go back. Alright, buddy, wait just a minute. I'll get you down here where I can get you off. Another little rascal. Little old rascal. Go back and grow up, buddy. Look like the cloud is going around to my right. I hear you. Oh, there he is. That's a little bit bigger. Come in, buddy. Before I lose you. Another bigger one there. Alright, just hold on. I can get you loose. Yeah, a little nicer one. Go back and grow it, buddy. That cloud got them stirred up. Okay, guys and gals, I got thunderclouds all around me. I want to get out of here before I get wet. I don't too much, where they say wherever there's thunder, there's lightning, so I don't want to be on that pond or lake, that lightning. I hope y'all enjoyed this trip with me. God bless you. Y'all have a good day. It's so Woody, we kicking out.